So do you sharpen clipper blades? What grit do you use? Find out what I use. Watch all the way to the end and you can find out how you can watch the full 1-hour video that this is a little short clip from. Now when you get a new machine, it comes with 240 grit. I like the 180 grit. I can get a much better result. It sharpens faster, and my customers have been happier since I switched to 180. If you use a 240, it's going to take a little bit longer to get your edge on your blades. So I'm going to sprinkle this on, and it's better to be generous, too much than not enough. After you shake it on, I take a paintbrush and I sort of mix it in. Can you see how it's changing colors as I mix it in? So it's mixing with the lard. If it turns to mud, I've got too much lard. So I've got this on here and all the grit's kind of darkened. R is rub. You want to rub it in. Now, this is one of the items that you can get to rub it in. I don't personally like it. It doesn't seem to do a good job for me. Get your hands up out of the grit. I guess I like the wooden block that comes with the machine better. Maybe I just like that noise. Looky here. You see I got maybe a little bit too much oil. Do you see how the grit's looking? See how it looks kind of muddy? If you get it too muddy, sometimes a little bit more grit will work. Yeah, it sort of soaks up that oil. And so I'm rubbing this in, and I want to make sure I get the whole surface covered. If there's any shiny spots, like here, I want to go in and rub it. So this is all sticking down. And I usually kind of work from the center out. Works better for me. You don't want to be pushing the grit off your plate. Did you like that little short video clip? That's part of a long 1-hour comprehensive 12-chapter video on step-by-step clipper blade sharpening. There's a link below where you can get the full video, and that will also come with the training manual, and also the little recipe for sharpening clipper blades, and a personal class with me, whether in person or online. And it costs less than you think. Now I've got a lot of other free videos, clipper blade sharpening, shear sharpening. Make sure you subscribe. I have a link to a video here I think you'll like. And this is a fun business, but it's also very lucrative. People are surprised at how much money they can make doing this. So if you have any interest, contact me. I read and answer pretty much all the comments on our YouTube videos. So make sure you comment and ask any questions, and stay sharp.